retire getting in there?
Definitely. You know, even if I didn't do this fight, I feel like I'm a Hall of Famer. But this fight right here, I'm there to be great. I'm doing what all the greats did. I get on the podium. Roberto Duran, Felix Trinidad. They all started at 140, went all the way up to 250. If they can do it, I can do it. I feel like I'm something that club.
When did you first get outdated? How old were you?
I met Marcus Watson with Zab Judah called Lucas Matisse in Newark, New Jersey. And I told him that I'm a free agent, you know, I'm not signing to other people no more. And they said they're going to give me a call on Monday. And I remember when they called me, I was like 20 and up. They said, what do you want? I said, I need a house. I got to get my family out the hood. So we went back and forth for like 2 or 3 months. And I asked him for all this type of money. And he said, why you want my money if I can make you your own money? And then he just said that, and I was like, you know what, you're right. Send me the contract. 2011. 2 years later, I was world champion. 1 year later. That's how I went.
Tell us about how David is. Like, he's a horse.
Best thing that happened to me was my dad made me.
Thinking about your dad, he had a stroke recently, a minor stroke. How important is it to have your father here, especially in the history again?
Oh, very important, you know. That motivated me, you know. Not as promised in life. You gotta go out there, you gotta make it happen.
Danny, do you think you had the best run at 140 pounds?
What's the question?
Do you think you had the best run at 140 pounds?
I feel like I'm one of the best 40 pounds ever, in my personal opinion. If you look at what I've done for a club, no one can really say they did that. In my personal opinion. And I ain't being biased. And even at 147, I was a great 147-pound fighter. You put me in any other era, I would have dominated it. I was just in a tough era. But I still feel like I beat 2 out of the 3. You feel me? It's all good.
Which one hurts you more?
All of them.